Oh, look at that, everybody. We got Sweet Pea in the camera. Guess whose eye is healing up really nicely? Sweet Pea's. Sweet Pea's eye is getting so much better, guys. He's pretty much almost back to full view. He's just has a the only thing he has is a little mark above his eye, but his pupil is back. His color is back. He can see. I'm so happy to announce that. So he's back in action. Now he is in heat, so I got to bring him down to get him fixed because he keeps wanting to get out, and I don't want him to be outside anymore. So I got to bring him to the vet so he can get fixed. So, but because he gets all horned up every once in a while. All right. So let me share with you guys real quick before we start today's session in craps. I did purchase a new stock today. It's actually not a new stock for me because I already own a ton of it. But anytime it's below $160 a share, I always add when I can. So I did purchase a new stock. I'll put the description down. It'll be in the description and also in the comments, okay? So you can just click on the video. It'll bring you over to Investing with Jimmy, and you guys can check out my new channel with stocks and crypto. Now, what's really cool about the new channel, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be doing podcasts where I go to people who run businesses, and I'm going to be interviewing them and just discussing their business, certain things like how successful they are, why they're successful, what kind of investments that they make, things and tips and tricks that you guys might want to watch. So I will be adding that to the Investing with Jimmy channel. Okay, guys, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and play the don't pass press is what we're going to do. We're going to play the don't pass press, okay? All right, now this thing usually does really well. Every once in a while, you'll get a pass line wins like 10 times in a row. And when that happens, you're probably going to have a losing session. But you should win a lot more times than you lose with this strategy. Let's get started. Going to start off with the don't pass for a quarter. We have $5,000 today, okay? All right, so we're going to hit a 7. When we lose, we don't go up. We do not go up when we lose. Only after 3 losses in a row, you go up a unit. Okay, here we go. Okay, a point will be a 6. There's a 4. There's an 8. And there's a 7. So we're going to get our money back. Okay, now what you do on this system is that when you win, you press your win. Okay, there's an 11, so we're going to lose that. So we're down technically $50 on this session. So we were at the $50 level, so we do not go up. We just repeat it. There's another 7. Okay, we're down $100 now. That was 2 losses in a row, so we stay at $50. There's another 7. Okay, that's 3 losses in a row, so we got to go up 1 unit. Now, because we're in green, we only go up 1 unit on the green, okay? So now we would have to lose 3 times in a row again to go up to a $100 chip, which would be going up 1 unit. Now, when you get up to the black level, you go up 1 unit means 1 black, okay? Points an 8. Okay, there's a 5. How you make your money in this game is when you press after a win. So if you get like 2, 3 wins in a row, your money goes up really quick. Okay, there's a 6. There's a 9. And there's a 7. Okay, so that'd be $75, and we're going to press it. We're going to press the whole 75 on there now. So we got 150 there. There's a 6. An 8. 7. Okay, that's going to pay 150. Okay, we're going to press it one more time. There's a 4. 5. 8. 5. 6. 6. Thought that would be a 5-2 right there. I thought that would be a 4-3. Thought that'd be a 6-1. Hard 10. Another 10. Guys, I can't help myself here. I'm gonna lay the 10 for 200. So no 10 for 200. And there's a 7. That was, I had to do that, guys. That was just too easy. So that was an extra $100 that we get for the no 10. So we'll come down on the no 10. That was, I can't help myself play correctly, you know. I just can't help it. All right, so we are going to win. We are going to beat the 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 200. We got 300 there. So basically, remember, we started with 75. So we just, this is going to be 600 right here. So we get another 300. So we started that off at $75. All we did was win 3 in a row. So we went from $75 to $600. Okay? And just like that, that was, plus we won the 100 on there. So in 7 minutes, we're technically up. We're up about $450 already. Okay? All right. Here we go. Oh, quarter. Now we're not pressing no more. We're taking that profit. You could press it if you wanted to, but you could have pressed your 600, and if you would have won one more time, it'd be 1,200. That's one of the things that I love about this strategy, guys, is you can win a lot of money off of a small investment. It can add up. You win like 6, 7 times in a row, it can add up. There's an 8. 12. 7. Okay, that's a quarter. We'll press it. So we would have, on that last one, if we did press the 600, we would have won. So we would have had $1,200 there. Now this one's going to lose. So we lose the... now keep in mind, only a quarter was our original money. So we're only down a quarter of our own money. We got 50 here that we lost. But so what we'll do is we're just going to go a quarter here until we lose 3 in a row. There's a 4, a 9, a 7. All right, so we're going to get our quarter back. We're going to press it again. There's a 7, so we're going to lose that. All right, so we'll bump it up to 50 now. Okay, there's a 10. A 9. Another 9. 6. Hard 4. 5. Hard 4. I'm going to lay that 4 for no 4 for 100. There's a 12. And there's my 7. I'm going to win 50 here and 50 here. So we're going to get $100, and we're going to press the whole 100. We're going to press the whole 100. We'll come down on this. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll leave it there for the come out. That way I'll get 50 bucks back. Okay, I got 150 there now. Okay, that's an 11. Oh, that's really bad. So I'm going to lose all that. Okay, I'm just going to go back to my 50. Here comes the come out. Okay, point is a 6. And there's a 6 we're going to lose. We lose that don't pass. We'll go back to 50. We're going to stay on 50. We'll use the no 4 still. Okay, that's a good point. That's a 10. Okay, here we go. 3. Ooh, hard 4. Gonna lose that 100. We'll go hard 4, 200. Ooh, another 4, back to back. We're gonna go to 600 here. Whoa. Yeah, we're going 600 here. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 on no 4. And there's a 7. Okay, we're going to get 300 here and 50 here. So we ended up breaking even on our 4. So we lost 100 and we lost 200. So we ended up breaking even. So risky play. We just didn't expect to have 2 losses on the 4 before a 7. So it is what it is. It's no big deal. Okay, we'll put our black chips back up. Okay, and we're going to get 50 bucks here. We're just going to press the winner on the don't. So we have 100 there now. Okay, there's a 12. That's a push. A 5 will be the point. 7, easy money. Okay, that's 100. Okay, let's press it again. Let's go for one more. A 9 will be the point. An 8. 6, hard 6. Hard 6, back to back. 4. 7 out. $200. Let's rack it up. Rack it up, Shine, rack it up. Okay, we'll go back to a quarter. Hard 10 is my friend. 8. Now what's nice about this situation right here is we hit the 10 point, right? So that was one time that we rolled the 10. So we have a good point for our don't pass, right? But if we happen to lose here, 2 things are going to happen. Number 1, we're going to lay the 10 because that would mean that the 10 hit 2 times before 1-7. So we would lay the 10 here and we would just replace our don't pass. So, you know, that's the way I like when 4s and 10s hit. If you get picked off, we can always get that money back by laying them because the math tells us to do it. There's our 7. Okay, so it didn't happen. We didn't get picked off, so we're not going to lay the 10. We're just going to press our winnings. Can you guys see Sweepy from there? Oh my God. You guys would be cracking up if you could see Sweepy right now. He literally has his head upside down and he's sleeping. Oh my God, he looks so funny. Oh, there's a winner. 50 bucks. Let's press that. We got 100 on it. Oh, back-to-back winners. There's a snake eye. 100 bucks. Okay, let's go ahead and take the profit. Bring it back down to a quarter. We're in good profits, guys, here. We've only played 14 minutes. We're going to go ahead and cash out. We have way too much money here not to take. All right, so we're going to cash out. So here we are $50 away from 5,000. So we'll take it out of the 100 chips here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900 minus 50, $850 in 15 minutes. I talked for about a minute, so we made 14 minutes, $850 profit on the don't pass press. It's one of my favorite strategies. Every once in a while, you get the pass line destroys you, where you literally see like 10 pass line winners in a row. I mean, it can happen. It's why I like the don't pass press, because it only goes up a unit if you lose 3 times in a row. Then you'd have to lose 3 times in a row again to go up another unit. Where you really do well with this system is when you get 3 wins in a row. So let me show you something, how cool this is. It's so hard to believe this. This is like too good to be true. Watch this, okay? If you have $300, let's say, for example, you're in profit, okay? Like we are. Let's say that we're up this $850, which we are. And we say, well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and just take home 650 or 550 there, because we got 600, but we owe 50 to the house to equal our 5,000. Okay, so we're going to go home with 550, or we're going to go for a $300. We're going to try to make this. If we just get 2 wins in a row, watch what happens when you get 2 wins in a row. Just 2 wins in a row. Watch this. So let's say, for example, you do the $300 and you get a 5, and then your next thing, the points of 5, and then you hit a 7 before a 5. Okay, they pay you the 300. That's 1 win in a row, right? You push it and press it, and now you get a second win. Okay, you got now $1,200, because you're going to get another 600. You have $1,200 just because you won 2 don't passes in a row. You went from 300 to 1,200. That is a $900 profit on just 2 don't pass wins in a row. 2 don't pass wins in a row happens all the time. We just did it a whole bunch of times. So that's one of the things that I absolutely love about this strategy. Sure, sometimes you're going to get beat because it will be the opposite, where the pass line gets you. Okay, the pass line comes out way more than the don't pass. It can happen. You will lose on that session. You might make a comeback. You could lose your money. But in the long run, I think that this type of system is going to make you way more money than you lose. So I like this system. It's a great system. And it's one of my favorite systems to play. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Do me a favor and go to my stock channel, Investing with Jimmy. Give me a like over there and take some time on watching those videos, and subscribe to that channel if you guys like money. If you like money, great. If you don't like money and you like craps, well, you got 2 options. You like money and craps, or you like money and stocks, whatever floats your boat. Okay, guys, take care.